Hybrid terrorists, the new challenge for security forces in Kashmir. Hi viewers, you're watching Such News Network and I am Janvi Gupta. Security forces in Kashmir are facing a new challenge on the militancy front. The presence of hybrid terrorists who are not listed as ultras but are radicalized enough to carry out a terror strike and then slip back into the routine life. Over the past few weeks, the attacks on the soft targets in the valley, including the Srinagar city, have witnessed a spike, and most of the incidents have been carried out by the pistol-born youth who are not listed as terrorists with the security agencies, officials said. The new trend has sent security agencies into a tizzy as these hybrid terrorists or part-time terrorists are very difficult to track and pose a challenge to the security forces. The officials in the security establishment said the hybrid terrorist is a boy next door who has been radicalized and kept on the standby mode by the handlers for carrying out a terror incident. He carries out a task that is given to him and then waits for the next assignment for his masters. In between, he goes back to his normal work, they said. The officials said the new trend is happening in the valley on the directions of Pakistan and its spies agency, the ISI. The desperate nexus is modifying methods their desperation is showing. Now it is the preference for pistol-based targeting of soft targets which are unarmed and likely to retaliate, like businessmen, including from the minority community, activists, political leaders without protection and off-duty policemen, they said. The officials also said that the aim is to spread fear and stop business and social activity that targets terrorists and their ecosystem. They target and silence voices that are speaking against the separatism and against the perpetrators and investigators of violence. That is the aim, the officials said. The security agencies believe this type of targeting is not random but properly planned. It is never random, it involves watching movement patterns and finding a weak part of the routine. The spotter could be an OGW or even a hybrid terrorist who is not on the police list but has a pistol and intent to kill, just like a mercenary shooter paid to kill a target. Police had in the first week of September last year declared Srinagar city as a terrorist free. However, there have been attacks on the civilians and policemen after that as well, and the officials believe the attacks are the handwork of the hybrid terrorists. IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar said there are some sleeper cells hybrid terrorists in the city but asserted the police will neutralize the module soon. We will soon neutralize the module active in Srinagar. There are some sleeper cells that we call part-time or hybrid terrorists. We are tracking full-time terrorists but there is difficulty in tracking the part-time or the hybrid terrorists as they go back to their normal work after carrying out an incident. But we are keeping full surveillance and we will get them soon, he said. So this was all about hybrid terrorists found in Srinagar. For more news updates, stay connected to Such News Network.